Set the time. Mastering the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be diving into the phrase, set the time. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your language skills. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some practical examples. Set the time generally means to establish or decide on a specific time for an event or action. It's often used in contexts where precision and coordination are important. For example, we need to set the time for our meeting next week. 1. In daily life, you might use it when planning events, such as, let's set the time for dinner at 7 p.m. 2. In professional settings, in a work environment, it's common to hear, can we set the time for the conference call? 3. In technology, it also applies to setting the time on devices like, I need to set the time on my new watch. Not specifying AM or PM. Always clarify if it's morning or evening, especially in a 12-hour clock system. Vagueness. Be specific about the time. Instead of saying, let's set the time for the afternoon, say, let's set the time for 3 p.m. Confusing with, set a timer. Setting a timer is different from setting a time. The former is about counting down to a specific duration. 1. Scenario. Scheduling a meeting. 2. Correct. We should set the time for our team meeting at 10 a.m. on Monday. 3. Incorrect. We should set a time for sometime Monday. 4. Scenario. Arranging a call. 5. Correct. I'll set the time for our call at 2 p.m. tomorrow. 6. Incorrect. Let's set a time later for our call. Understanding and correctly using the phrase, set the time, can greatly enhance your communication in English. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying its meaning and proper usage. Keep practicing, and you'll master this phrase in no time.